Y'all, what's up, first of all? I just want to jump in real quick and do this intro because I'm excited. What y'all about to see is some fire. I'm coming with the heat. Like, when I told y'all I was going to be protective styling, what you about to see, I know you wasn't expecting this. I am going to be doing a style inspired by the 90s, brought back here in the 2020s. You're not ready. I don't think you're ready for this shit. I don't think you're ready. But yeah, I will be doing a style. I don't even want to tell you yet. You just got to stick around. Wait, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. It's going to be a whole thing, man. It's going to be a whole thing. So sit back, relax, and watch me work, okay? Slather it on, y'all. Get in there. Do what you gotta do. You can do it. I'm so damn stupid, man. Is it cricket? You know what? All my little head meters over here. Do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do to slick your hair down.
Talk your shit, bite your lip. When you really ain't never got him fucking for a thing, he already made his mind up before he came.